Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. Gain Smart Wheat is a free choice vitamin and mineral supplement for stock or cattle designed to balance basic nutrient needs for maximized efficient gain on wheat or small grain pasture. The U.S. Federal Reserve released a statement making it clear that the increase in interest rates are not finished. The Fed Chair, Jerome Powell, said the plan is to continue to lift interest rates for some time, and they likely will remain very elevated for a while until inflation is more under control. So far, interest rates have increased 3 times in 2022 for a total of 1.5 percentage points. Another increase is expected in September, and it is still unclear whether it will be a 0.5 point or a 3/4 point increase. The announcement of these aggressive interest rate rises were not so popular on Wall Street. The Dow has fallen 500 points, or 1.5%. The S&P has dropped 1.9%, and the NASDAQ has slid 2.4% just this morning. High interest rates will mean slower growth to the economy and a softer labor market. Turning to this week's markets, moderate Fed cattle cash trade occurred in the north at 146 to 148 live and 230 to 232 dressed, steady to $2 softer than last week. Light to moderate volumes traded in the south at 142, which is steady. The CME feeder cattle index moved about 180 higher this week, finishing at 181 per hundredweight. Good rains across a lot of the U.S., especially southern Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle, and parts of New Mexico, provided some drought relief. Still, other areas such as central Texas and South Texas remain very dry. Continued precipitation along with cooler weather will be important going forward, following what has been a very hot and dry summer for many of these areas. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.